Okay. So let's see what he has. Just make sure. He has a flare gun. Test it out. Oh, it actually works. I'm gonna waste this. Wait, I saw a guy over there. That could be like a rifle or something. Let's look around. Oh, pistol. I'll take the sniper ammo. Maybe bandages, I don't need. Oh! So, I assume that it actually spawns loot. So I got 3 medkits. Maybe I don't need the bandages after all. Okay, there could be some more loot over there. Let's go look around again, guys. Whee! Oh, that's a guy. Oh. Yep. Crap. Maybe I should have wasted the ammo, guys. Darn. It's over there. I saw him. Alright, just be fast. Besides, I'm gonna get out in the game anyways. What do you carry this one? Alright, just make sure. Okay, here's some shooting. Alright, it has to be like. Not sure I'm gonna take the sniper ammo, guys. Oh, I should take that. I don't even need a sniper. I'm gonna waste it.